Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 80 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with XDC, followed by PAXG, SIP, IMX, GRT, WIF, Nexo. Okay, until WIF. We're going to start at WIF. Let's get straight into it. XDC against USD. Here we are for XDC. So XDC is touching and actually is crossing the skinny pink line on the daily. So my assumption is that XDC is going to come back lower. How much lower are we going to go? First target that we have is sub 4 cents. So yeah, I don't think this will be the support line, right? If we broke, we rally back up, but we're back down here. So a very good example will be over here, right? The moment we cross the skinny pink line, the bearish trend is on, right? Could there be some shenanigans before we hit lower? Sure, but XDC is not looking good, and we are anticipating 4 cents to be hit for XDC. Next would be PAXG. Okay, so this is PAXG for you. So PAXG is okay. To me, PAXG, okay, it's actually gold. So let's just look at ZAO. ZAO, so gold seems to be in a potential squeeze. We could be breaking a little bit higher, potentially, right? So gold is still above the skinny pink line. As long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for gold, right? We actually had a target for gold way back in 2023, right? The target is actually 2005. Let me check whether if we have it. Gold ZAO USD. We actually had a target over here. So okay, it's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. IP. Okay, 2005. So anyway, we've already hit targets. We've already overachieved. Green, whatever it is that's expected of gold. And now we are in a consolidation. I suspect we are headed to potentially 3005 for gold. Potentially, right? Potentially, but yeah, you can see that the volume is already rising for gold, right? Usually, when we hit the top, right, there's always huge volume. Price goes down, right? So this is huge volume. Could price be going lower? I don't know. But gold has already overachieved whatever it is, going to achieve. So I suspect that there could be another rally back up, but yeah, I think we could be dropping soon for gold. Sonic, yeah, this is a rebrand for FTM. So FTM, if you look at it on crypto, right, FTM is very scary. What do you mean by scary, right? If we pull a support line across, this is a big descending triangle in the making. Mountain 1, mountain 2, mountain 3, pump. We collapse to 0. Phantom is not looking good. It's not looking good. And so now, yeah, it's dropping. And it's coming back down towards the support line. No matter how high we rally for FTM, we always come back down. So when you rebrand, right, you turn into another coin, fresh new coin. But we're still coming back down from the very beginning of the rally towards $1. Now, we're almost at 20 cents by 25, 30, 25. Still more downside? Yes. Very likely still more downside. So S is not looking good. It's just not looking good. So yeah. IP against USD. Here we are for IP. IP on Gate has already hit target. Ta-da! We had a target over here way back in, where's this? May the 6th. We saw the bearish chart pattern over here in the shape of a head and shoulders. And yeah, now we're down for IP. And we hit targets. Ta-da! Technical analysis works. It absolutely works. Classical chart patterns still do work. It has worked 100 years ago and continues to work today. So there was a head and shoulders over here for IP, right? Left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. Pump, we're down. Could there still be more downside? Yeah, potentially. There's a noisy area over here. This is where we rallied. So yeah, again, no clear tradable chart pattern for us. So we're not going to be doing anything, but this was a very high quality head and shoulders. And yeah, that's it. We are down. IP is down. Immutable X is the most disappointing, biggest ABCDE failure that I have seen. Okay, there's another one. So for IMX, Yeah, look at this. A, B, it could have been a C, D, E. But once you take out these lows, it's no longer a squeeze. So IMX could be heading lower, right? And we're also getting lower lows. You see that? Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower lows. We're under the skinny pink line, so the trend is still largely bearish for IMX, so I would stay safe. GRT against USD. Here we are for GRT. Anything for the graph? No. There's nothing for us to work with. There's a noisy area over here, so hopefully when we hit here, there could be a bounce, right? But things are very bearish for GRT, so I would stay safe. We've had what's happening with let's look at it on the gate. Yeah, anything for us to work with? No. There is a danger though for WIF. Should we get a second mountain and a third mountain, WIF could be collapsing very hard towards the downside, right? If WIF hits higher, oh, ladies and gentlemen, we might get an inverse hand shoulders kind of a chart pattern. Left shoulder, hit, right shoulder. WIF goes bananas. But yeah, we're still under the skinny pink line. So we're gonna lean bearish for dog with head. Alright, boys and girls, that's it for today's top 30. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.